How to get Google Chrome on Roku TV. So the method we'll be using is actually a casting method, which means you'll have to use either your laptop or PC or even your mobile device. But the very first thing that you want to have to check out first is make sure that your Roku internet is connected to the same network. So once it is connected on the same network, all you have to do from your mobile device is just to simply open Google Chrome and then just tapping on the three dots. Now head over into Cast, Save, and Share, and then head over directly to Cast. In here, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on your Roku device. So it will automatically be linked here once your Bluetooth is turned on, and just simply tap on that and it will automatically cast to your television. And that's it. That's how you get Google Chrome on Roku TV.